Good morning, it is day 24 and we are taking the bikes to Calgary downtown. The bikes, I think we left them outside tonight. Last time we had them in here, that was kind of crowded, so this time we were a little bit more smart, or maybe dumb if they disappear. Someone steals them, but they're downstairs now. Alright, new glasses and membership at Mountain Equipment. It's gonna come in handy next year. Also, polarized. So after just having made it home just before the big rainstorm hit, my mom actually made me go out again. Yeah, that's you. No, that wasn't fun. No, but we had to bike to FedEx to check how much they charge for delivering the bikes to Vancouver Island, and that was a lot, so it was basically a total waste of time. But we had something to do and we basically missed the rain again, so I guess we went lucky today. And after I'm starting to get back into my workout routine. There is a small gym down there, not really much, but they got a cable machine, some dumbbells, and if you have the proper knowledge, you're able to do a little bit with that. But I've noticed the hardest part of a bike trip like this is after, when you have to get back into your diet. So I gotta lose like 2 kilograms, or at least that was before. That was 2 months ago. Maybe that has probably changed a lot since then, but 2 months ago I had to lose 2 kilograms to get down into a lower weight class for powerlifting. But you just keep eating like you were doing on a bike trip, and then you aren't burning the calories anymore, so I guess you'll gain weight really fast. So that's the hardest part, to stop eating that much again, because on a bike trip you can basically eat whatever you want. It just goes in and the calories go out again. But after, you just sit here in a hotel room all day, or bike a little bit to Calgary, but that's not burning the same amount. So yeah, you gotta step down your food game. Alright guys, tomorrow will be the last proper day here, Wednesday, and on Thursday we'll be leaving, so tomorrow's gonna be fun, and then I'm ready to go home. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.